Once upon a time lived, of course, Frankenstein's monster. Now, Frankenstein's monster was actually a little bit lonely. Being one of a kind and, well, a monster, no one really wanted to be his friend. So, fortunately, Frankenstein found me and my ceramic lab one day and commissioned a little baby monster friend because that seemed like a good idea. So today I'm sculpting and creating a little baby Frankie monster head out of porcelain to hang on the wall and keep everyone in good spirits because, well, dopamine decor is a very real thing. Originally, this was recorded as a live stream here on YouTube, which is why the quality, unfortunately, is a bit less than my other videos here. Not to worry though, all the next videos will be recorded and uploaded in 4K. The decorating process of this sculpture took me around an hour, but I've chopped it up to only include the interesting parts of creating this little monster. If you're new to the world of ceramics, there is a lot of little steps to join pieces together, smooth things out, and well, that's just a lot less fun to watch. The full process videos will be available unedited soon because it's always fun to be able to watch other people and learn little tips and tricks about how they do things along the way. A lot of vinegar is used in my sculpture process. It's actually my secret ingredient rather than using slip to join things. But at the end, I also use some iridescent embroidery thread for her mouth and forehead, which I think might be my very favorite feature on her. I've got quite a few more Halloween-y, spooky style mask builds on the way this month because although I'm definitely a spooky year-round person, October is definitely the best month to go all out, and since I'm pretty new to YouTube here, it fits perfectly.